If you're thinking about adding rosewater to your skincare routine, you're in the right place. Rosewater is packed with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a powerful and natural addition to your beauty regimen. In this video, we'll show you how to use rosewater for your face, skin, and even your hair, plus a few ways you can use it in the kitchen. We'll also break down all the amazing benefits rosewater has to offer for your skin and overall wellness. So stick around. How to apply rosewater on your face. 1. Use rosewater as a toner. Rosewater is packed with astringent, soothing, and moisturizing properties, making it a fantastic all-natural toner according to Joanna Kula, licensed esthetician and owner of Skin Devotee Facial Studio in Philadelphia. To use it, start by cleansing your face with a gentle face wash and patting it dry with a clean towel. If you're using a rosewater spray, hold the bottle about 6 inches away and mist it evenly over your face. If you have rosewater in a regular bottle, soak a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your skin until your entire face is covered. Let it air dry naturally, and that's it. You're ready to continue with the next steps in your skincare routine. 2. Use rosewater to prep your skin for makeup. Rosewater helps hydrate your skin and calm redness, making it an ideal base before applying makeup. To use it, simply dampen a cotton pad with rosewater and gently swipe it over your face, or give your skin a light spritz if you're using a spray bottle. Then go ahead and apply your makeup as usual. Your foundation will glide on more smoothly and evenly. 3. Make a homemade face mask with rosewater. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and hydrating properties, rosewater is a great addition to any soothing face mask. If you're whipping up a DIY mask, try using rosewater in place of regular water to boost the benefits. You can also add a few drops of rosewater to any mask recipe, even if it doesn't specifically call for liquid. And if DIY isn't your thing, no worries. There are plenty of ready-made rosewater face masks available to buy. 4. Apply rosewater underneath a sheet mask. Before applying your favorite sheet mask, give your face a generous spritz of rosewater. This will enhance the hydrating benefits of your mask while locking in the soothing, anti-inflammatory properties of the rosewater. 5. Mist your face with rosewater to cool down. A quick spritz of rosewater can be incredibly soothing, especially on a hot day. Just mist your face whenever you're feeling overheated, flushed, or sweaty for an instant refresh. For an extra cooling effect, try storing your rosewater in the fridge. Other skincare and beauty uses for rosewater. 1. Apply rosewater to soothe razor burn. Rosewater is excellent for calming skin irritation and inflammation, making it a great remedy for razor burn. After shaving, simply spray the rosewater directly onto your skin or apply it with a cotton pad. Your skin will feel instantly soothed and hydrated. 2. Apply rosewater on minor cuts and scrapes. Although it hasn't been extensively studied, the antibacterial and antimicrobial properties of rosewater may help with small skin injuries. These properties could assist in speeding up the healing of minor cuts and burns while helping to prevent infection. It's important to always follow proper wound care when you have a skin injury, which includes thoroughly cleaning the wound, applying an antibiotic ointment or petroleum jelly, and covering it with a bandage. If you choose to use rosewater on a minor cut, try applying it in the days after the injury to support the healing process. 3. Use rosewater on your hair and scalp. Rosewater helps soothe an irritated scalp while promoting hydration, leading to healthier, shinier hair. To enjoy these benefits, mix equal parts rosewater and regular water, then apply it to your hair and scalp. You can transfer this mixture into a spray bottle and mist it onto your scalp as a leave-in treatment, or pour it over your head after washing your hair in the shower. If you prefer, there are also shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks available that contain rosewater. 4. Add rosewater to your bath. Besides its skincare benefits, rosewater has a lovely floral scent, making it the perfect addition to a relaxing bubble bath. The fragrance will gently perfume your body and hair, while your skin enjoys the hydrating and soothing effects. Just fill your bathtub with warm water, add a little rosewater, and unwind. 5. Use rosewater for aromatherapy. Some studies suggest that the scent of rosewater can help reduce anxiety and lift your mood. To enjoy these benefits throughout the day, mist rose water on your face or apply it to your wrists and neck like a perfume. For a soothing, relaxing effect before bed, spray your pillow with rosewater to fill the air with its calming floral scent. 6. Make food or beverages with rosewater. Rosewater's delightful floral flavor makes it a popular ingredient in cooking. It's often used to add a unique taste to desserts and baked goods like cookies, cakes, cupcakes, and candies. It also adds a lovely touch to sweet beverages such as cocktails, mocktails, teas, and coffee drinks. If you're planning to use rosewater in food or drinks, be sure to choose an edible rosewater product, not one intended for skincare. You can typically find rosewater for cooking at grocery stores or health food stores, but if you prefer, you can also make your own at home. Benefits of rosewater. 1. Soothes skin irritation and redness. Research shows that rose has anti-inflammatory properties, which means rosewater can help soothe skin irritation caused by razor burn, eczema, rosacea, and similar conditions. Pure rosewater contains active compounds like phenylethanol and geraniol, which can reduce redness and inflammation when applied topically. After cleansing, mist your face and neck with rosewater, or mix a few drops into your regular moisturizer for an added soothing hydration boost. 2. Hydrates and moisturizes. Rosewater is prized for its hydrating and soothing properties, making it an excellent ingredient for a refreshing facial mist or body moisturizer. 3. Clarifies, tones, and fights bacteria. Rose is a natural astringent with antimicrobial properties, and it's also believed to help reduce oil production and minimize the appearance of pores. With all these benefits, it's no surprise that rosewater is a go-to facial toner, especially for those with acne-prone skin. 4. Has antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Research shows that rose has anti-collagenase and anti-elasticity properties. These proteins break down collagen and elastin, so inhibiting their activity could help promote more youthful-looking skin. Additionally, rosewater is rich in antioxidants, which are known for their powerful anti-aging benefits for the skin. 5. Reduces anxiety and enhances mood. In aromatherapy, rose is known to help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of comfort and well-being. Its scent may also help alleviate symptoms of depression. 6. Soothes pain and physical ailments. While not all of these effects have been confirmed by scientific research, rose has traditionally been used to treat digestive issues, soothe menstrual pain, reduce inflammation, ease coughs, and heal minor skin wounds. It has also been used as a mild laxative. How often should I use rosewater? It's absolutely your choice. You can apply rosewater on your face at any time and as many times as you like. Try using rosewater on your face at least twice a day to gain the maximum benefits. And there you have it. 11 amazing ways to incorporate rosewater into your skincare and beauty routine. Whether you're looking to hydrate, soothe, or add a little extra glow, rosewater's got you covered. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty and wellness tips. Have you tried rosewater in your routine yet? Let me know your favorite way to use it in the comments below. See you next time.